Hi, my name is Josh Henkin, and you're watching my video application for Dangerman. Do you ever watch extreme sports shows and see people doing tricks in a half pipe and wonder, how do they do that? Well, today I'm going to teach you the science behind how people can defy gravity and have a whole lot of fun at the same time doing tricks in a half pipe. So come on, let's go to the skate park and see what we can find. To help us with today's experiment, I've recruited Obi-Wan Kenobi on a skateboard. Say hi, Obi-Wan. Hi, everyone. While understanding that science can make these tricks safe, it's still important to wear safety gear whenever performing tricks in a skate park. That's why Obi-Wan is strapped up with his helmet and pads. Safety first, everyone. In a half pipe, there's a constant transformation between potential and kinetic energy as the skater rolls back and forth along the ramp. Now, Obi-Wan Kenobi is storing potential energy relative to the height of the ramp while he sits here. However, once he drops in the ramp, gravity will pull him down the ramp, and that potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy goes back to potential energy once he reaches the other side. Potential energy is energy stored in its physical form, and kinetic energy is energy of motion. Another way to think about this is that a big rock sitting atop a hill has potential energy. However, once the rock rolls down the hill, the potential energy gets converted to kinetic energy. You will notice that one side of the half pipe is higher than the other side of the half pipe. This increase in height will allow Obi-Wan to store more potential energy, thus translating to greater kinetic energy, allowing him to have more speed, travel across the ramp and get more height on this end, and perhaps perform a more complex trick. Let's do a double backflip with an ollie, Obi-Wan, and may the force be with you. Speaking of forces, there's one other energy form we need to discuss, and that's the kinetic energy that is transferred to heat via friction while Obi-Wan is skating. Friction is resistance to movement when two forces rub together. When you rub your hands together like this, friction causes the heat you feel. As Obi-Wan's skateboard wheels roll across the ramp, energy is converted to heat by friction. To compensate for this, skaters will pump their legs to increase their speeds on the ramp, just like pumping your legs on a swing. So that's how people are able to generate speed and continue to roll from side to side in a half pipe. It's all pretty simple once you understand the science.